Hey guys, this is Anne. I got a question about when you're blending something that has dates. Do you remove the pits or not? Doesn't matter what kind of blender you have, even though you have a high-speed blender. I mean, seriously, you have to remove the pit. This is like a stone. My goodness, it's the seed and it's very very hard. You can even break your blender. It doesn't matter if it's a high-speed blender or what. Always remove. It doesn't matter if you're told you're going to make a smoothie, a cake, you're always going to remove the seed or the pit. This thing is stone, hard stone, so you always, any recipe you have, always remove the pit in the dates or the stone or the seed, whatever you want to call it. So that is how to use dates in recipes. All kinds of recipes. There's none which is going to say, oh, you use the pit, unless they're telling you to soak so you can grow a date tree or something like that. But or maybe it's not called a date tree, but yeah, you get the drift. Always remove the pit, no matter what recipe you have. Always remove the pit. So I just want to make a smoothie, remove the pit, and you also remove this part. I don't know what you call it, but yeah.